In today's workshop I'm doing another acrylic pour, experimenting with Floetrol and a lot of colors. Now that might be a mistake, but anyway, thank you so much for joining me so we can find out together. If this is your first time here and you would like to learn how to relax and experiment with your artistic capabilities, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon. Today I have gone for varying amounts of Floetrol in each cup, starting from about 3 grams to 6 grams I think, and I have just completely improvised the amount of paint as well, just trying to get a feel for different thicknesses and consistencies and so on. Today I'm going for a dirty cup again, but I am going to try some different techniques soon, so if you have any suggestions as to what I should try next time, then leave them in the comments below. So for this pour I started with a TreeRing pour, but because of the amount of colors that I was using and on my small canvas, I was really worried that I was going to lose colors, and especially the yellow. So after a bit of tilting, I went to manually complete the edges and the gaps with a mixing knife. Now that's an interesting effect. Although at first it looks muddy and a bit unnatural, the Floetrol has allowed it to self-level and has allowed the edges to blend in with the rest of the piece. Also, the knife has let some small cells emerge, especially when encouraged by the torch. I am a bit conflicted about how much I actually like this pour. It has grown on me, but I am torn between possibly saying that that's way too many colors, or saying that all the different shapes and colors and sections on the canvas add character and mystery. So let me know what you think, and also, is it lava, gems, or a thermal image? Let me know. Thank you so much for joining me today. Like this video if you enjoyed it, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.